Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening students. Today I am going to give some examination tips. See, usually you are going to face public examination for upcoming public examination. So now I am going to give some important tips. Chapter wise the first important formulas I will teach. Then after that I am going to explain some theorems that is important for the examination point of view. Now chapter wise I will give some important examination tips. First chapter will be there, we will call for what? Arithmetic progression. See, in that arithmetic progression, first what is the general form and general term of an arithmetic progression? General form of an arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is general form of an AP. Now the next will be the general term of an AP. So what is a general term of an AP? Is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is nothing but nth term, okay, and a equals to first term and n is equal to number of terms and d equals to common difference. So this is about what I call that one. General form of an AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, a plus d is second term, a plus 2d is third term, a plus 3d is the fourth term, and a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term. So, general term of an AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? Nth term. What is a? First term. What is n? Number of terms. What is d? Common difference. So, this is about what we call that one, general form and general term of an AP. Now, what is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. What's an arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the term and its consecutive terms is a constant is called arithmetic progression. See, arithmetic progression, for example, arithmetic progression here is given example 2, 4, 6, 8. These are all certain example for arithmetic progression. I told about the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. The constant term is called common difference and the first term is called a. So here first term, see here in this example, first term is a. What is the common difference? Difference between any two consecutive terms. See, this is we call for what? The first term, and this is called for what? Second term, and this is called for third term, and this is called for fourth term. So d is nothing but t2 minus t1 and 3t minus t2 and t4 minus t3. Now you see here, what is T2? T2 is nothing but 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then after that 6 minus 4 equals to 2 and 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So this is about for what? Arithmetic progression. So first chapter is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. Consecutive means 2, 4 in this example, 4, 6, 6, 8 like. Okay, see this is about for what? Arithmetic progression. Next will be there arithmetic series will be there. So what is that arithmetic series? Series is nothing but sum of the terms. See, arithmetic series means sum of the terms. Sum of the terms is called series. For example, series, there are two types of series will be there. One is called finite series, another one is the infinite series. What is a finite series? Finite series is nothing but finite number of terms. Infinite series is nothing but infinite number of terms. Okay. See here, what is that arithmetic series? Example is arithmetic progression is 2, 4, 6, 8. Arithmetic series is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. This is an example for what? Arithmetic series. And then arithmetic series, the last term is that we will call for what? Infinity. This is a symbol used to return infinity. Infinity is nothing but infinite number of terms. So this is about we call for what? Arithmetic progression and arithmetic series. Okay, so the next one will be there after the arithmetic series. The next formula will be there, Sn. So what is Sn? Sn is nothing but sum to n terms. Sum to n terms means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum to n terms of an arithmetic series, where n is the number of terms, where a is the first term and d is what you call that one? Common difference. See, similarly, Sn is equal to n by 2. We can split it to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus n minus 1 into d. We can write an. And also Sn is equal to n by 2. We can write a. In place of an, we can also write l. So this is another formula, sum to n terms, n by 2 a plus l, where a is nothing but what you call that one? First term, and l is nothing but last term. So this is about we call for what? This is about for what? First and last term. So now this is about for what? Sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the what you call that one? Last term. So this is about we call for what? Sum to n arithmetic progression and arithmetic series. Okay. See now based on sums. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is we will call for what? Nth term of an arithmetic progression. Find number of terms when a is equal to 5, then after that d is equal to 6, an is equal to 30. So use the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an, in place of an substitute 30. What is a? 5 will be there. So n we don't know, n minus 1, and d is nothing but 6. 30 minus 5 is equal to 6 into n, 6n minus 6. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. 6n minus 6. Now transpose 6 towards left side. So 25 plus 6 is equal to 6n. Then 6n is equal to 31. Then after that, n is equal to 31 by 6. So this is the value of n also. Okay. Then after finding 6 is equal to 31, 6 y is 30, 1 will be there, 0.2. Then after that 6 will be there, 20, like it is will be going. So what is the answer for n? 31 by 6. So this is about what you call that one, how to find out n or a or d. By using the formula, we can find out the any value, either a also or d also or an also. Okay, so the next one will be there. What is that? Sn, use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So then Sn we have to find out. A is equal to 2 is there, and n is equal to 6 is there, and d is equal to 5 will be there. Now how to find Sn? Apply the formula. Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute in place of a. So first Sn, what is n? 6 by 2. 2, what is a? 2 plus n minus 1 means number of terms is 6 minus 1. What is d? Into 5 will be there. 2 3s are. So Sn equals to 3. 2 2s are 4, 6 minus 1 is 5 into 5. So next step, Sn is equal to, what is that, 3. Then after that, 4 plus 5 5 is at 25. So next step, Sn is equal to 3. 25 plus 4, 29 will be there. Again multiplied by 3. So Sn is equal to 3 9s at 27. 2 carries, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So for example, number of terms is, here is there, n is equal to 6. Right here 6 also, and S6 here also write, and here also 6 will be there, and here also 6 will be there. Now S6 means S6 we have to find out. So S6 value is equal to 87. So another one more is there. How to find out D? See, one formula is there. D is equal to Tp minus Tq by P minus Q. So here T10 is given 20, and then T5 is given 10 will be there, and then we have to find out D. So in place of Tp is T10 minus in place of Tq is T5 by what is that, P minus Q is nothing but 10 minus 5. So D is equal to, what is T10? 20 minus what is T5? 10 will be there. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Subtract 20 minus 10 by 5. 5 2s are 2. Therefore, D value is equal to 2. See, in this way, D can be found by using the formula Tp minus Tq by P minus Q. What is Tp? Here is T10. 20 is given. What is Tq? Here T5 is given 10. And what is P? Here 10. And what is Q? Here 5. So use the formula D is equal to T10 minus T5. 10 minus 5. T10 equals to 20 minus T5 equals to 10. And P is 10 minus 5. See, T10 is 20 minus 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 20 minus 10, subtract, will get a 10. Divide by 5. 5 2s are. So value of D is equal to 2. Okay, this is very, very important. The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See here what you have to find out. We have to find out the common difference. First you write down 17th term of an AP. See, 17th term is nothing but A17 of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Means A10 plus what is that, 7. Here we have to find out the common difference. D we have to find out. Okay, so you know the formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here in place of An you write A17. So in place of A10 plus what is that, 7. A17 we can write A. Then after that N minus 1 means 17 minus 1 into what is that, D. Here in this sum we don't know A and D also. Only we know that 17th term and 10th term will be there. So D, and in place of A10 also A plus 10 minus 1 into D plus 7 is there. So better you do one thing. Here A cancel. 17 minus 1, 6D is there. 10 minus 1, 9D plus 7 will be there. Rearrange the terms. 16D minus 9D. Now then substitute or transpose 90 towards left side. Minus 9D is equal to 7. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7D is equal to 7. Then after that, now find out the value of D. So D is equal to 7 divided by 7. Cancel 1. So the value of D is 1. So next, this is very important 3 marks question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n term. First you do one thing. First 7 terms you can write S7 equals to 7 terms of an AP is 49. So next will be there and that of 17 terms. So S17 is equal to what? 289. Find the sum of the first n terms means we have to find out Sn. A we don't know, put a question mark, and D also. First you find out D, A and then N and also Sn. So first you do one thing, S7 is equal to 49. Use the formula. What is the Sn formula? First write Sn formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Sn means right here S7. Wherever n substitute 7, n by 2 means 7 by 2, a we don't know, so as usual 2a, and here n is there 7 minus 1, and d also we don't know, right here d. Then after that in place of S7, 49, okay, equals to 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d is there, and 49, 7 by 2. Here you take two common factor. If you take two common factor, in this factor, a plus 3d is remaining, 2 cancel. Next step will be there. What is that next step? 49 divided by, what is that, 7 equals to a plus 3d. So 7 7s are, a plus 3d is equal to 7, call this is an equation 1. Now another one is there, 17 terms means, so better you do one thing, S17 is equal to 289, and then write the formula, same formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn means S17, n means 17 by 2, 2a we don't know a value, n minus 1 is 17 minus 1 into d also we don't know. So in place of S17 substitute value 289 equals to 17 by 2, 2a, 17 minus 1 is nothing but 16d, and 289 equals to 17 by 2 into 2 take common factor in this factor. If you take 2 common factor here, a plus 8d is remaining. If you want to multiply 2 into a, 2a, 2 8s are 16, and 2 cancel. Next step will be there, 289 equals to, so 17 into a plus 8d will be there. So 289 divided by 17, then a plus 8d will be there. 17 times will be there. Okay, then after that, see here, multiply 17 into 17, 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11, 1 7s are 1, 9, 8, 289 will be there. So then after that, how many times it will cancel? 17 times. 17 is equal to a plus 8d. A plus 8d equals to 17, call equation 2. See after, see what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is a plus 3d. Equation 1 is a plus 8d is equal to 17. Then after that, subtract 1 and 2, we will get. So what is that? A plus 8d equals to 17. Then a plus 3d equals to 7. Then after that, after subtracting, sign will changes. Here also plus means minus, here plus means minus, here plus means minus, cancel. 8d minus 3d is equal to 5d. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. d is equal to 10 by 5. So what is the value of d? Therefore value of d is equal to 2. See, after finding d, next a is there, then after that Sn is there. This is a very, very important, they will ask definitely 4 mark question. So then after that, substitute what is that? D is equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2. See what is the equation 1? In any one equation you can substitute, you will get a will be same value. So what is that equation 1? A plus, what is that equation 1 is? A plus 3d is equal to 7. Okay, so A plus 3, in place of the substitute value 2 equals to 7, A plus 3 2s are 6 equals to 7, A is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. See, now A value is 1. After finding A and D, next we have to find out Sn. So what is the formula for Sn? N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2. 2 into a is 1. So n minus 1. So what is the value of d? The value of d is 2. Then after that, Sn is equal to n by 2. 2 into 1, 2. Multiply 2 into n. 2n minus 2. 2 into n. 2n. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2n. So 2 2 cancel. Sn is equal to n into n square. Now what is the value of Sn? The value of Sn is equal to n square. So this is about for what? Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first 10 terms. After finding A, then D. Now Sn is equal to n square. Next, triangles. In triangles, see, one more question will be there. What is that one more question? State Thales theorem. See, this is very, very important. State Thales theorem. What is that Thales theorem? Thales theorem is nothing but a straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. It divides other two sides proportionally. What's the statement of Thales theorem? A straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. It divides other two sides proportionally. Okay, first you do one thing. Write here triangle ABC. Then after that, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. DE is parallel to what is that BC. Therefore, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC and DE divides AB and AC in the ratio of AD by DB equals to AE by EC. This is we call for what? Thales theorem. What is the Thales theorem? A straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. It divides other two sides proportionally. Now, triangle ABC is there and D and E are the points on AB and AC will be there. Now, DE is parallel to BC. DE divides AB in the ratio AD by DB and AE by EC. This is we will call for what? Thales theorem. And this is about the Thales theorem. Next will be there converse of Thales theorem. What is that converse of Thales theorem? This is also very simple. They will ask question. State converse of Thales theorem. See here in Thales theorem, a straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. It divides other two sides proportionally. What is the converse of Thales theorem? A line divides other two sides in equal ratio. A line divides other two sides in equal ratio. Then lines are parallel to the third side. Okay, see here in triangle ABC, okay, AD by DB equals to AE by EC, then what is that? DE parallel to BC. This is called for what? Converse of Thales theorem. See, Thales theorem. Thales theorem or what is that? Basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now what is that Thales theorem? Just now I told about a statement of Thales theorem. A straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. It divides other two sides proportionally. Now we will prove logically stepwise steps. So first one, what's the statement of Thales theorem? A straight line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. it divides other two sides proportionally. Now, first you do one thing. So draw triangle. See, here is ABC. D and E are the points on the side. AB and AC respectively. Join DE, and D is parallel to BC. Okay, so D is parallel to BC, and AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have to prove. So what is given? See, according to theorem, first step is given. Next step is to prove that. Next is construction. Third one is proof, and fourth one is conclusion. Now come to the given. See what is given in the figure. In triangle ABC, okay, D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively. AB and AC respectively. See, this is the first point. What is that given? In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively. See, triangle ABC, D is the point on side AB, E is the point on side AC, then respectively. Then after that, to prove that, what you have to prove that? According to statement, I told the statement, see, AD by DB equals to, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, we have to prove. So, construction is there. What is that construction? Join D and E. Okay, join DE. After joining DE, next will be there, and then draw DM parallel. So, join DE. What is that? Draw DM perpendicular to what is that? AC, and next one is there EN. See, EN perpendicular to AB, and EN perpendicular to AB. So this is the construction. So what is the construction? Join DE, join DE, draw DM perpendicular to AC, EN perpendicular to AB. So after construction, next proof will be there. See what is that to prove? Better you do one thing. See here, join DC also and BE also. Okay. See here, join BC and DE also. First you do one thing. Take triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, already you know that area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. So in triangle ADE, take AD as a base and EN will be height. So area of triangle ADE, half into base into height. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half. What is base? Base is AB and height is AB, and height will be there EN. Okay, now this is called equation 1. Then now you take another triangle will be there, BDE also you take. So in triangle BDE, so what is the area of triangle BDE? This is also same, half into base into height will be there. So area BDE equals to half. What is that base? Now base we are taking here DB, and height, same height will be EN. Base is BD. Okay, then height will be, what is that? EN will be there. Call this is an equation 2. Then after that, see here, next one is they take same in triangle. What is that? ADE. Okay, what is that area ADE? So area ADE is equal to half into base into height will be there. So now base we will take AE half. So base is AE and height will be there. Now height you take DM. So here AE into what is that? DM will be there, and call this is an equation 3 will be there. And one more triangle will be there. Better you do one thing, DEC. So in triangle, what is that? DEC. In triangle DEC, area of triangle DEC is equal to half into base into height will be there. Half, what is that base DEC? EC will be there and height will be there. Same height, what is that? DM, what is that? Height will be there. DM, EC into what is that? DM will be there. Call this is an equation 4. Now, then after that, see here, area AED. Here is their area. What is the first one is? ADE is equal to, okay, half into B into H. What is that? AB. Half into AB into what is that? EN. Next, another one, area ADE by what is that? Area BDE. Area BDE equals to same half into what is that? BD into what is that? EN. See EN half of cancel. Then after that AB by BD, call this is an equation 5 will be there. Now area ADE by what is that? Area ADE by area DEC. By area, what is that? DEC. What is ADE? ADE is equal to half into AE into DM. Half into AE into DM. Okay. So what is DEC? DEC is equal to half into EC into DM. Half into EC into DM. So here DM cancel, half of cancel, and AE by what is that? EC will be there. Call this is an equation 6 will be there. See, already you know that. What is that? In the figure already you know that. What is that? A, B, C and D will be there and DC and will be there. So standing on the same base and between the same parallels, what is that? See, BDC or BDE, area of triangle BDE is equal to what is that? Area of triangle DEC. Already you are studied in 9th standard. See, triangles are standing. Triangles are standing. Triangles are standing on the same base and between same parallels. Or equal in area. Therefore, what is that? See, from equation 5 and 6, okay, we will get AB by BD or AD by BD is equal to AD by BD is equal to AE by EC, hence proved. Now areas of similar triangles. See, prove that this is also one of the important theorem. Okay, prove that areas of similar triangles are proportional to their squares of their corresponding sides. First is there, see, triangle ABC, another triangle PQR. What is given? already what is that? Areas of similar triangles. Already you know that what's a similar triangle? Two triangles are similar if and only if corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same proportion or in equal ratio. What's the similar? Similar is nothing but two triangles are equiangular, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So similarity is nothing but consider two triangles. See, in two triangles ABC and PQR, A is corresponding to P, B is corresponding to Q, C is corresponding to R, AB corresponding to side PQ, BC corresponding to side QR, AC corresponding to side PR. So this is about similar. Similar is nothing but corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same proportion or in equal ratio. Okay. Now given triangle, according to the statement, prove that areas of similar triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle, what is that? PQR. This is the symbol used to indicate similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Angle A is equal to, what is that? Angle P. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C equals to, what is that? Angle R. Next, this is the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides. What is the first corresponding side will be there? AB corresponding to PQ. Next is there corresponding and BC corresponding to, what is that? QR. And next will be there AC corresponding to PR. So this is given in that data and statement. So what is given? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So angle A is correspondingly equals to angle P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R. AB by PQ corresponding side, BC by QR, AC by PR. This is about for what given. So next, to prove that, what you have to prove that actually is given. See, prove that areas of similar triangles are proportional to their squares of their corresponding. First one, area of triangle, what is that? ABC by area of triangle, what is that? PQR. See, corresponding sides, AB, one corresponding side and another one is PQ whole square equals to, next BC and another one is QR. BC by QR whole square. Now here is AC also you can write or CA also you can write. AC by and what about PR whole square. So we have to prove. So this is to prove. Next will be the construction. So construction is very easy. What to do here for next step? Draw AM perpendicular to BC, PN perpendicular to QR. Now construction part, draw AM perpendicular to vertical that one BC. Next PN perpendicular to what is that QR. So this is the construction. Then prove. Better you do one thing. Now you do one thing. First, area of triangle ABC by what is that? Area of triangle PQR. We know the formula. What is that? Half into base into height. Here also half into base into height. So here half cancel. So base for triangle ABC is BC and height is AM. Okay, and here is base is QR and height we will call for what? PN. Call this is an equation 1. Now you take ABC and PQR, half into base into height. In numerator also half will be there, in denominator also half will be there, you can cancel. So ABC, in triangle ABC, base is BC and height is AM. And in triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PN. So next after that, now consider triangle, what is that? ABM and triangle PQN. Now then after that, see here, angle B is equal to angle Q is there. See here, already we know that angle B is equal to angle Q. So common will be there, and already is given angle B is equal to angle Q, already is given. Next, angle AMB equals to what? PNQ is equal to 90 degree. When it is 90 degree, after construction that will become 90 degree. So here AMB 90 degree, PNQ 90 degree, angle B is equal to angle Q, already what is that? B is equal to what? Q, already is given. So then after that, two angles are equal. See, according to that, in two triangles, two angles are equal. AA criteria, similarity. Therefore, triangle ABM similar to triangle, what is that? PQN. What is the reason? AA similarity criteria. What is the AA similarity criteria? In two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal and one included sides are equal, then AA similarity will be there. So here two angles are equal and similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. In two triangles, two angles are equal and then similar, their corresponding sides. What are the corresponding sides will be there? AB and another corresponding side of another triangle. One corresponding side of ABM is AB, another corresponding side PQN is equal to PQ. AB by PQ is equal to AM by what is that? AM by PN will be there. So call this is an equation 2. Reason, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Similar triangles. See, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same ratio. So this is an equation 2. See, what is that equation 2? First consider ABM PQN, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90. So triangles are similar according to AA similarity. Two angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Their corresponding sides are proportional. One is AB by PQ, AM by PN. Corresponding sides are proportional. After corresponding sides are proportional, just already is given. See, AB by PQ is equal to what? See here, but AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. BC by QR equals to AC by what is that? PR. Now you see here in equation 2, in place of AB by PQ, see here AB by PQ, we can write AM by PN. See, in place of again AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR equals to what is that? AM by PN. Okay, now what is that? See, AM by PN plus we can write BC by QR. AM by PN equals to BC by QR. One axiom is there, things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Now, then after that, area ABC by what is that? Area PQR equals to BC by QR. Okay, then after that BC by QR into AM by what is that? PN. Then after that, in place of AM by PN, substitute BC by QR. BC by QR into, in place of AM by PN is equal to what? BC by QR. Okay, BC into BC squared by QR squared, or BC by QR whole squared, because AM by PN equals to BC by what is that? QR. See, similarly we can prove that. We can prove that area of triangle ABC by what? Area of triangle PQR is equal to what is that? AB by PQ whole square equals to BC by QR whole square equals to AC by PR whole square, hence proved. Similarly, after finding here, what is that? Area of triangle, okay, area of triangle ABC by what? Area of triangle PQR equals to BC by QR, equation 1, BC by QR. So BC by QR in place of AM by PN, BC by QR. BC into BC squared by QR squared. We can write BC by QR whole squared because AM by PN is equal to BC by QR. Similarly, we can prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, AB by PQ whole squared, BC by QR whole squared, AC by PR whole squared, hence proved. Pythagoras Theorem. See, what's the Pythagoras Theorem statement? Actually, this is important for the present examination point of view, 4 marks question. See how they will ask, state and prove Pythagoras. Now, what's the Pythagoras Theorem statement? In a right angle triangle, square and the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now, what is that hypotenuse? Here is B90 AC hypotenuse in triangle ABC. In triangle PQR, P90 hypotenuse QR. In triangle KLM, okay, L90 and KM is hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, square and the hypotenuse. See here, hypotenuse is AC. Whose square is AC squared? Is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides, one is AB squared, another is BC squared. So AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Next, QR is hypotenuse. QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR squared. Similarly, KM square is equal to KL squared plus ML square. Now, in a right angle triangle, square and the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now, first you do one thing, draw figure. So, this is we will call for what? ABC. Okay, A is 90. What is given in the figure? First, in triangle ABC, okay, angle BAC equals to 90 degree and BC equals to hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Side opposite to the right angle. B right angle, side opposite is AC. P right angle, side opposite is QR. L right angle, side opposite is KM. So here BAC is 90 degree and what is hypotenuse? BC equals to hypotenuse. So what is given in the figure? See, in triangle ABC, angle BAC 90 degree and BC equals to hypotenuse. Now to prove that, what you have to prove that according to statement, square of the hypotenuse, so BC square equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two side is, one is AB, whose square is AB square, another side AC equals to AC square. So we have to prove that BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. Now construction is very, very important. So what we have to do, draw, what is that? See here, AD perpendicular to. So here, draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now this is the construction. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now what is that proof will be there? Better we have to do, what is that first triangle will be there. So you consider the first triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, and after constructing triangle will be there first part. What is that? In triangle ABC and triangle ABD we have. So first we will write here. So this is we will call for what? ABC 90A, and this is hypotenuse. And next constructed triangle will be there, after construction first part will be there. What's the first part? Triangle A, B, D will be there 90 degree, and this is will be their hypotenuse. So here B is common, here also B is common. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ABD we have angle B is equal to what is that? Common angle. And angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. See, consider two triangles and then find out which angle is common, which angle is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, B is common. Here also in triangle ABD, B is common. BAC 90, better you do one thing, write A. ADB 90, you write 90 degree. Therefore, see, after identifying two angles are equal, then triangles are equiangular, then triangles are equiangular, then they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, now you see here, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle, what is that? ABD. Reason is, what is that? AA similarity criteria. AA similarity. See here, 1, 2 angles are equal. Two triangles are angles are equal, and two triangles are equiangular. Next, similar. Next part is there, first angles are equal, then they are similar. Second part, third part, corresponding sides are proportional. See, what are the corresponding sides? First you do one thing. See, 90 degree and common angle side is there. Right here AB, and here 90 degree common angle side is there BD. Right here AB by BD equals to, here hypotenuse you write, okay, and here hypotenuse you write. Here hypotenuse is what is that? BC, and here hypotenuse what is that? AB. So how two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar, they are corresponding. How to identify the corresponding sides? 90 degree and common angle side is there AB. Here 90 degree common angle side is there BD. AB in first figure, BD in second figure. Similarly, hypotenuse in first figure BC, here hypotenuse in second figure AB. So this is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, so corresponding sides of similar triangles. Call this is an equation 1. See, AB by BD, and then so AB by BD is equal to BC. Cross multiply. So what is that? AB into AB, AB square equals to BD into BC. We can write BC into BD. This is an equation 1. Okay. Similarly, again you take in triangle ABC, and second part is there, you see, ABC, and triangle what is that? ACD. Okay, similarly in triangle ABC and triangle ACD we have, okay, first you do one thing. I will draw what is that? ABC, this is given. After constructing second part is there, so what is that? Second part will be there, ACD. This is A C D 90. See here C common will be there. Here also C common will be there. Identify. Here D 90 will be there. Here A 90 will be there. So angle C is equal to angle C. Common angle. Okay. Now angle BAC equals to what? Angle ADC is equal to 90 degree will be there, is equal to 90 degree. See, in two triangles, two angles will be common. Angle C is equal to angle C, angle A is equal to 90 and angle D is equal to 90. Therefore, I told in two triangles, angles are equal means equiangular. Next triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle for what? ADC. Two triangles are similar and corresponding sides are proportional. What are the corresponding sides? See, A90, C common side. Here C common D. This is, first you do one thing, AC by DC equals to, here hypotenuse will be there BC and here hypotenuse will be there AC. So BC by AC. First you see here, CA is 90 degree, C is common angle, side formation is AC in the first figure, D90C, so DC equals to BC hypotenuse, here is AC hypotenuse, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same ratio. Next, after that, cross multiply AC into AC squared is equal to BC into DC. Call this is an equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get. So, what is that equation 1 left side? See here, what is that equation 1 left side? AB square is there. What is the equation 2 left side? AC square is there. You add left side values. And what is the right side equation 1? BC into BD will be there. Plus, what is the equation 2? BC into DC will be there. Adding equation 1 and 2, left side AB squared, here left side AC squared, AB squared plus AC squared. Here right side BC into BD, okay, and here BC into DC. So, AB square plus AC square. So, better you do one thing. Here BC and here BC is common factor, take out. And what is remaining? BD plus DC. In the figure you see BD plus DC is nothing but BC. So what is that? But BD plus DC is equal to BC. AB square plus AC square equals to BC. In place of DC, write BC. So AB squared plus AC squared is equal to BC squared, hence proved. See that? What is that? AB squared plus AC squared, BC. BD plus DC we can write BC. BC into BC, BC squared already is there in triangle ABC, BAC 90. BC hypotenuse we have to prove. BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared, has proved.